So today we did a thing and we came home with these. Their names at the shelter were Munster and Gouda, but we'll be changing that. I'm thinking Bubble and Squeak. The black one is Bubble and the little Bengal tiger looking one has the squeakiest little meow you've ever heard. When I heard it, I knew she had to be Squeak. So what do you think? Bubble and Squeak? They've been home for just a few hours and they've already made the house their own. They're adorable. Oh, Bubble found a warm spot. Now here comes Squeak. Anyway, this is going to be our life now.
Welcome to Lorrie's world, where the garden grows tall. Hydroponics and heirlooms answering nature's call. From crafting up projects to fluid art pours so bright. She's stirring up dinner under starry camping lights. Oh, Lorrie, Lorrie, in your world we roam. Seeds in the soil and a heart full of home. From survival swaps to family laughs by the fire. At Lorrie's world, you lift us higher. Lorrie's world, yeah, Lorrie's world. Dumpster finds turning into treasures so fine. Elderberry gifts and a mini chainsaw wine. Scenic drives with blues playing soft in the van. BFFs for 17 years, living the plans. Oh, Lorrie, Lorrie, in your world we roam. Seeds in the soil and a heart full of home. From survival swaps to family laughs by the fire. At Lorrie's world, you lift us higher. Lorrie,